Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily hide the rating controls in the Photos app on your iPhone and iPad. In iOS 27 or later, Apple lets you control where the rating controls appear in the Photos app, making it easier to keep your library perfectly organized or maintain a cleaner viewing experience. If you frequently rate your photos and videos, enabling this option allows you to see star ratings directly within the app. On the other hand, if you prefer a distraction-free interface, you can hide these controls at any time. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down and choose the Apps option. After that, you have to scroll down a bit to find the Photos app and select it. And then we have to head over to app settings and choose view options. And finally, you have to enable the toggle located right next to show rating controls and we're all set. Once enabled, the Photos app will display star ratings on supported photos and videos. You will also notice rating badges on thumbnails, allowing you to quickly recognize rated items while browsing your library. If you no longer want to see ratings in the Photos app, you can easily disable the feature in just a few taps. So just head over to the photo settings and then disable the toggle located right next to show rating controls, and that's all there is to it. The rating information associated with your photos isn't deleted. It simply won't be displayed in the Photos app while the option is disabled. The show rating controls feature is a handy addition for users who like to organize their photo library with star ratings. Whether you are sorting your best shots or simply prefer a cleaner interface, you can easily enable or disable the option whenever your needs change. This flexibility helps you customize the Photos app to match the way you manage and browse your memories. Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.